Dear students, today we will discuss about health education from the chapter 2 of class 7, Health and Physical Education. The concept of health is not clear still today, and that is why we are still suffering from it. Health occupies an important place in our daily life. As we know, the proverb, health is wealth. Health is a fundamental right and an integral part of development. It is the central concept of quality of life. Health education is any combination of learning experiences designed to help individuals and communities improve their health by increasing their knowledge or influencing their attitudes, as stated by the WHO, that is World Health Organization. WHO is a specialized non-political health agency of United Nations. The main objectives of health education are informing people, motivating people, and guiding into action. On the basis of the above objectives, the following steps may be taken for school student and general people. Number 1. Providing information related to health. Informing students regarding the function of our body, informing them regarding health and related theories, taking caring measures for various diseases, awareness about healthy lifestyle, inform about the ill effects of smoking, drinking, and ill effects of drugs on health, informing about need for nutrition. It means adopting various health programs in the school to aware the students regarding health knowledge and development of awareness, to develop the knowledge regarding personal cleanliness, and to create their health habits. Need for nutrition and regular exercises. Precaution and preventive measures. It means inform them about infectious diseases and their prevention. Inform regarding need of scientific classroom and clean urinal and lavatory. Inform about the first aid. To take necessary steps for preventive measures for various diseases. To help in curing diseases of eye, teeth, nose, ear and skin. Improvement of mental and emotional health. To make a disciplined and happy personal life through improvement of mental and emotional health. To inculcate the knowledge related to responsibility as a citizen among the students. To focus the need of a healthy society and initiate a program related to social awareness program and clean society. To aware the citizen regarding their health, to establish a healthy relation between body and mind among public, to aware public regarding the symptoms of disease and thereby appropriate steps for its proper treatment and prevention. To inform the people regarding bad effects of alcohol, smoking, drugs and others. To aware people regarding active lifestyle and regular exercise. To develop the national health through proper health education program. School health program has 3 divisions. Number 1, health instruction. Number 2, health supervision. And number 3, health service. Supervision of a school may be done in 5 ways: to create a healthy physical atmosphere in the school, To supervise personal hygiene of the students. Administrative supervision. Daily supervision by the teachers. Supervision by the doctor or physicians. General cleanliness of the midday meal dining hall and proper inspection by all the teachers, including headmaster, must be done on daily basis. There should be a cure center or medical clinic in each school. The students should learn how to diagnose a disease and treat it, or to send the patient to suitable place through the cure center in order to realize the objectives of health education. It may be done through first aid treatment in school. An educational institution should be located in a quiet place. The area and the space should be proportionate to the number of students, teachers, and other staff of the schools. To save the valuable documents or goods from any disaster emergency situation, especially fire mishap, there must be firefighting equipment and arrangement in the school. Safe drinking water facilities must be there in the school. There should be proper drainage system too. Health is influenced by a number of factors which exist within the individual and the society. Now we will discuss about the important factors which determine health. These factors has been divided into three categories. One is personal factor, the second one is environmental factor, and social factors. Personal factors depending on heredity, age and body weight, personal hygiene, exercise and sports, lifestyle, nutritional food, etc. Genetic makeup cannot be altered. Some diseases like diabetes, mental retardation have genetic origin. So, the health of an individual depends on his genetic constitution. Health status depends on age and body weight of an individual. Personal hygiene is direct impact on health. Everybody should engage themselves in regular physical activity to maintain their health. Lifestyle means the way people live. It has direct impact on health. Environmental factors. Environment has a direct influence on physical, mental and social well-being of an individual. Socio-economic conditions. Rich people have a capacity to seek better medical care, so they are healthy, but rich people are inactive and sedentary, so they are prone for heart disease, diabetes and obesity. Education, especially female education, has an influence on health. The aim of health and family welfare services is to treat diseases, prevent illness and promotion of health. Health services like safe water supply and immunization prevent a variety of diseases. Social factors of health. Influence of character, social security, political system directly impact on health. There are some other factors like nutrition, occupation has direct impact on health. Homework. Number 1. Define health. Number 2. Write how to keep oneself fit in health education program. Number 3. Write any 2 personal factors that affects our health. Thank you. If you have any queries, then you can send me email